Okay, it's time to learn what we call midweek, aka Wednesday. In word of today, Masters of Virginia, you have çarşamba, closer word to the one that we learned yesterday, which is çarşamba akşamı. Now, çarşamba, that's how we say it. It's like I said, Wednesday or midweek. Let's explore some other way of calling Wednesday and along with some phrases and sentences. Phrases first. On Wednesday at school or midweek meeting. Çarşamba günü mektep school, mektepte at school. İclas meeting, çarşamba iclası, Wednesday meeting or midweek meeting. Now, üçüncü gün is the second name of çarşamba or Wednesday. It literally means third day. Now, let's see some sentences. Çarşamba günü layihenin ilkin versiyasını komisyaya təqdim etməliyik. Ona görə bugün bütün komandayla geceye kadar işleyəcəyik. On Wednesday, we have to present the initial version of the project to the committee. So today, we will work with the whole team until late. Let's break it down. Çarşamba günü on Wednesday. This günü is additional, is literally means day. On the day of Wednesday, basically. Layihenin ilkin versiyasını, the initial version of the project layihe, ilkin, initial first, versiya, loan word, version, komisyaya, committee, also loan word, təqdim etməliyik, we have to present. Ona görə, so, that is why, bugün, today, bütün komandayla, with the whole team, geceye kadar, until night, meaning or until late, işleyecek, we will work. All right, another sentence. Rəhbər çərşənbə iclasını dəqiq saat 9-da başlamağı tapşırdı. Çünki həmin gün müştərinin bütün suallarını aydınlaşdırmaq istəyir. The manager, we often call the name rəhbər, leader, manager, also manager, but that's like for you to see what's the official name for it. Now, time to break down. The manager ordered the Wednesday meeting to start exactly at 9 because he wants to clarify all the client's questions that day. Now, rəhbər çərşənbə iclasını, the Wednesday meeting, the manager, dəqiq, exactly means sharp, right at the dot. Saat 9'da başlamağı tapşırdı. Ordered, asked, tasked, both ways. Tapşırmak. To start, başlamağı. Dəqiq saat 9'da exactly at 9. Çünkü, because, həmin gün, that day, müştərinin, müştəri is a client, bütün suallarını, all the questions, aydınlaşdırmaq istəyir, wants to clarify. Right? Today's word was çarşamba, aka üçüncü gün for Wednesday. Dad my week's chaos peaks on çarşamba. Now, there's masterofvirginia.com where I post blogs every 10 days if you are interested in learning more grammatical tips, cultural, historical aspects of the language. There's also Master of Virginia app that I have built available in App Store and Google Store where you will get to download Module 1, which is the foundations, and learn it for free. Otherwise, come back tomorrow for the next new word, which is two ways of saying Thursday. I'll see you there. Cheers.